Hi guys, welcome back. Just a quick one today. Received this in the post yesterday and I recognised the box and the tape straight away. And these are from Alan at the Dawn Chorus Spot. He posted a video the other day of him planting out some comfrey, and I asked him any recommendations of where to get some, and he was kind enough to send me some roots, and as you can see, already starting to shoot. I wasn't expecting this many pieces, so thank you very much for these, Alan. There's another bag with some in here. Wow, wasn't expecting that much. So I think the best thing to do with these now is to plant them out straight away and let them do their thing. They'll grow in almost any ground. They grow a really long taproot which picks up all the nutrients from really low down that none of the other plants can get to, which is why it's so good to use as a plant feed, steeped like you would with nettle tea or liquid seaweed or... Right, so I'll go and find space in the garden and get these planted up. Right then guys, so I've decided I'm going to plant some of them in here, out the way, hopefully shelter this tank a little bit. So I'm going to plant 3 in there, and then I'm going to plant a couple more over here, and whatever's left can go up behind the polytunnel. Next to the rhubarb, thinking maybe along here. So I'll get the camera set up and get these planted. Right guys, so that's all them planted up. I'll get some labels made up for them. Thanks again Alan, and please if you haven't already, head on over and check out his channel. I'll put the link in the description and I'll post it in the comments below. So, thanks for watching, bye for now.